Oh, hey there, if you're looking for a brand new home that's both affordable and move-in ready, Asheville, Ohio just released a new community that offers pre-built spec homes with builder-exclusive interest rates under 5%. So let's take a look what Walnut Mills subdivision has to offer. Spacious lots in a rural setting, 20 minutes from Columbus, Ohio, with low property taxes and the most desirable school district in Pickaway County is just a few of the highlights in addition to the neighborhood amenities. Smart home packages are including, and in addition to, free cable and internet included in the HOA. So if you like this beautiful 2-story or need a 1-story ranch, just remember the home buying process is different from new builds. So it's important to partner with a trusted real estate agent who is familiar with reviewing new build contracts and is also an expert in the local area.